If you don't mind, we actually got some client questions. Some of our customers have sent through some questions. Who can answer them for me?
Absolutely, happy to.
All right. First question is, what happens if my claim is greater than the insured amount on my policy?
Well, so you're covered for up to the insured amount. So if your sum insured is X $100,000, that's the limit of your claim. But many of our benefits are in excess of that. So if in the unfortunate event you have to demolish the house, well, that amount for the demolition is covered in excess of, up to a limit, in excess of that. So you nominate, the advice we would give is, you should always have the right sum insured on the amount that it would take to rebuild your home, plus those costs. It's always good to have the right sum insured so there's no surprises when a claim occurs. It's very rare claims of that size occurs, but when it does, it's critical you have the right sum insured.
Yeah, I think a lot of time our clients get mixed up with the difference between your replacement sum and your purchase price.
Exactly right, Sean. Now, the purchase price, of course, includes the value of the land. And nowadays, land, the price of land is quite a significant component. But nonetheless, what we would advise people to do is look at how much they pay. Talk to a builder. There are online sum insured calculators that we can point people to. So go to our website and access a process of keying in all your details, and that will estimate a price that you should insure your house for. It might take you 15 minutes or so to do it, but it's time well spent to make sure that you're insured for the right amount, because as you increase your sum insured, the price to increase is very, very low compared to the bottom end of sums insured. So as you increase, it gets cheaper and cheaper to insure that additional amount.
Yeah, because this usually is a person's greatest investment and greatest purchase is their home.
It is. I mean, for all of us, it's the biggest thing that we own. It's the thing we worry most about, and it'd be the thing that if we lost it and we weren't fully insured, it's heartbreaking when that happens. Absolutely heartbreaking. We would much prefer to be putting people back where they were with full cover and making sure that they're fully covered at all times.
Yeah, we have a client of ours who's most unfortunate. I mean, the chances of having a total fire loss of your home is rare. Having two total losses is unheard of. We have a client who's had 2 total losses from a fire, and he was big premiums, but he never complained about the premiums when it came to claim time.
Absolutely. And look, it does happen. As we say, it's probably a very small percentage, but it does happen to people. And whether it be fire, whether it be flood, or whether it be the cyclone situation. Yes, it's rare, but we all want to be able to sleep well at night, knowing whatever happens, we're fully covered. I think that's what insurance should be providing, is the ability to make sure you can sleep at night, knowing you're fully covered and your claim's going to be paid correctly and promptly.